Hello friends, my name is Nabendu Chakravarti. I am a digital marketing manager with Vishap, and I am here to talk to you, to discuss with you a very important topic, which is Google Ads. We all know how important Google Ads is. We know businesses use Google to promote their product, to convert their customers, and to sell their products and services. We have all seen digital marketers use Google Ads quite extensively, but have we ever wondered how we can also learn how to run Google Ads and how to optimize Google to promote our business? So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you the very first step that anybody who wants to run an ad on Google must take. That is to set up a Google Ad account first. It is only when we create the Google Ad account that we are able to run ads on Google. And in the subsequent videos, I will also talk to you about running different kinds of Google Ads, which will be covered in the next tutorials. So today we will focus on how to create Google Ads. So let's get started. In order to do that, we first need to go to Google and type Google Ads account. When you type Google Ads account, it will show you the Google Ads page. Click on that and then click on Get Started. I have an existing account which I do not want to use. I want to start from the scratch, so I'll be using another account which I haven't used for Google Ads before. So let's just use this account. Once you log in, okay, so one prerequisite of running Google Ad is to or creating a Google Ad account is to have a Gmail email ID. It is the first requirement. You have to have a Gmail email ID. If you do not have a Gmail account, so create one just to run ads on Google and then use that Gmail ID. Any other email address will not be accepted by Google. Okay, so it will bring you to this page, which is what's your main advertising goal. So if you want to get more calls, you can select that. Get more visit to your physical location if you have a physical store or business, or get more website sales or sign up. So we'll go to get more website sales or sign up. Select that. Click on next. Do you serve customers in your area? Yes, customers visit my location. No, I mostly serve customers online. So we'll go to no, mostly I serve my customer online. Your business name. So we'll give any random name. This is just a tutorial. So we don't have a website yet. So we'll just give Bishop's website. Okay, so this was the preview. This is how the website looks on mobile. This is how it looks on desktop, which is fine. We'll click on next. Okay, so now it's time to write your ad. They have already pre-filled some columns here. We do not have to fill anything. If you want to change, you can. Since the purpose of my tutorial is not to teach you how to create an ad, this will be covered in the next tutorial. So we will not make any changes. We'll just go to next. Okay, it's asking for a phone number. Let's see if it selects all zeros. I doubt it will, but let's try anyway. Yeah, asking for a valid phone number. Okay, so by the way, that's not my phone number. That's just a random number I've just input. Add keyword themes to match your ad searches. So one great thing about Google is when you type the website address, it automatically goes to the website and it fetches the keywords that are relevant to the industry or to the business, and it gives you the options. So you can select these suggested keywords to be used on your ad, but right now it's already pre-selected online virtual assistant. We'll stick to that. We're not going to make much changes here, because the idea is to teach you how to create an ad account. Up next, show your ad in the right places. So what are some of the areas you want to target? It has already selected some location. I'm not going to make any changes. Click on next. Set a budget to get results that you want. There are 3 options and then something for custom. So I'll just select custom and select 500. Duration, select an end date. I do not want it to run continuously. So the date can be, I can select 1st of June. Next. It's asking for a campaign name, campaign goal. Again, I'm not going to make much changes here. We'll simply go to the next page. Here, it's a very important page. It's asking for your country where you are located. It's already selected India because they know based on their location settings, they know where we are logging in from. Time zone obviously is India. Promotional code, if we have any, you can select online. There are sometimes promotional codes which when you use, Google gives you a free credit of a certain amount to you, usually 2,000 rupees, that can be used or applied in the ad. Mind you, this 2,000 rupees is not something that can be used like this money belongs to you. This 2,000 rupees can only be used when you use 2,000. So Google matches that amount to be used on ads. We do not have a promotional code at the moment, so we'll just leave it blank. Account type, organization or individual. I'll stick to organization. Organization name is Vishap. Payment method, you can add a debit card, net banking, money transfer, credit card, or a Paytm wallet, which you can use to pay to Google when you run your ad. And then you have the automatic payment option and manual payment. I like manual because I want to keep a track of how much money I'm spending on Google. Automatic payment can sometimes be painful because you do not realize when your credit card has been charged, and at the end of the month when you get your bill, you see that Google has charged you a lot of money for continuously running ads, which sometimes people forget after creating an ad. So I do not want to take that risk, especially if I'm dealing with credit cards. So I'll leave it to automatic payments. You can select I agree to Google's terms and conditions and then submit. Okay, so looks like I have to type a payment method here or link Paytm wallet. So I'm just going to type my phone number and confirm it with the OTP. Okay, so this setup is complete. I have added a payment method. Obviously, I'm not going to pay anything at the moment because I don't intend to run an ad. But once you add the payment method and you skip through the pages, you will come here. If you can see, this is how the Google Ads account looks like. Now you have to set up the account. So to set up the account, the first step is go to account and go to linked accounts. When you go to linked accounts, you can link your other Google assets with your Google Ads account. So you can add Google Analytics, you can add Google Play Store, etc. You can add your YouTube account, and you can also add your Search Console account. So normally Google Ads account, Google Analytics, and Google Search Console are the 3 accounts that are connected or linked generally, but someone who has a YouTube account or YouTube page can also link the YouTube account. Okay, so this is how you set up the Google Ad account, and you can explore different tabs here. You will find how to use Google Ad account if you spend some time creating or understanding the Google Ad account. Here you have the tools option. You can go through different pages and read about it. You have the account, you have the billing. Here you can check in settings and transactions how much money you've been spending, how much money you've spent in each campaign. If you go to tools, you can select planning and you can plan keywords here before running an ad campaign. So this is how you set up the Google Ad account. This is how you create it. If you have any question or comment, you can write it in the comment section. If you like this video, please hit like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever we come up with new tutorials on important topics like this, you will not miss it. So thank you again for your time and see you in the next tutorial.